Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and start off with the blush. It is the option We Are Going Shopping, and there are 8 different Kylie Cosmetics brand new blushes added to the collection. And here's the packaging. It's brand new. It's baby pink. You get the Kylie silver reflective name on the front, and then you get the indented drips inside of the blush and a brand new mirror with hard plastic baby pink packaging. So this is what it looks like up close and personal. This retails for $18 on their website for 0.26 ounces of product. And in my opinion, it is a perfect neutral coral that warms up your skin for that perfect spring and summer look. Now we're going to move on to the tutorial part of this video and the blush, and I'm using a Japanese powder brush, which in my opinion is perfect. What I like to do is make circular upward motions first with the blush just to kind of blend it to perfection, and then I dab more product onto the apples of my cheeks for a more pigmented look. But that is my strategy. You don't have to do it, but it works out for me. Hope it works out for you. But this is what We're Going Shopping looks like on my medium to tan olive skin. And don't mind that bristle that fell on my cheek and that I won't notice till later, but we're just going to keep going with this video, and I am obsessed with this shade in particular. Can't wait to try the other ones though, because they're very beautiful. But back to this video, we're going to move on to the loose setting powder, which is a brand new item on the Kylie Cosmetics website. It's super exciting. They have setting powders now. I chose the option soft pink. There are 6 different options to choose from, including a translucent, which I should have purchased because I will show you in just a minute. But let's go ahead and talk about the product. This is what the packaging looks like: the baby pink, the silver reflective Kylie on the top, and then the sifter and the cap. And now onto the tutorial. So this retails for $24 for 0.35 ounces of product. I personally chose soft pink because it is a brightening shade. The peachiness of it brightens your skin. But in my personal skin reference, I do have dry to normal skin, so I did set it first with translucent powder, and then I am topping it with this soft pink, which is a very pigmented shade, and it definitely blurs and mattifies the skin and is very video and picture friendly. So it's definitely a must-have if you are always doing videos and taking pictures. And it, as you can see close up, it is so effective and is definitely a must-have or must-try, especially if you're looking for that flawless look. So the next product I'm going to review, which is brand new, is the new bronzers that she just came out with. This is the option Toasty. There are 6 different options to choose from, but this one is the more neutral mid-tone bronze shade. And it retails for $18 for 0.39 ounces of product. There are 6 different options to choose from, but this is the more cool tone, neutral tone, kind of almost universal tone that I feel like a lot of people are going to choose. And it is a matte pressed powder. It's very soft and buildable, and I'm showing that to you in this tutorial. I always start off with my nose contour, so I always build it up. If I'm looking for a soft look, I just use these eyeshadow brushes. There's a pointed one and there's a flat dome one that I start off with. And then I also contour the lips as well. But if I want a more pigmented look, I go in with the Lorac dense brush, which you can use any brush, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like, build it up. But now onto the other parts of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks and the outer edges of my face. I use this Sephora brush that is on sale right now, so if you want to check that out. But as you can see, it instantly gives me color. The payoff is there. You can also build it again, and I love this shade, and it's definitely a must-have, and I'm definitely going to use this in the future. And if you want to look and see some of the looks that I have created, go ahead and check out my Instagram in the description box down below. But this is what toasty looks like on my dry to normal skin, my medium to tan olive skin. But now we're gonna move on to the last brand new face product that I wanted to try out for you guys, and it is the Kylighter in the shade Quartz. Now there are 6 different brand new shades to choose from, but this one is described as an icy gold. It's very bright, it's very illuminating. It retails for $20 for 0.34 ounces of product, and it's more of a pale yellow, illuminating, bright shade in my opinion. So I like to pair it with more glamorous looks or glowy looks, but this is what I usually do. I start off with that eyeshadow brush to pinpoint the high points of my face, and then I go in with the ABH highlighter brush and pat on the product first and then blend it out to perfection. But this is the shade Quartz and what it looks like on my Asian skin, my tan olive skin, my dry to normal skin, and as you can see, it instantly gives you a glow that is very out of this world and beautiful. And this is what all of the products look like on my face. Hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial on some of Kylie Cosmetics brand new face products. And don't forget to check out my playlist. I do have a Kylie Cosmetics playlist on its own if you want to check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.